No, it's not clickbait. I'm done making, building, and doing what I love to do, at least for a while. So let me try to explain. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that I love to make stuff. A lot of my work is based off of woodworking, 3D printing, and getting to design my own products. But there's something I decided not to tell you guys about until right now. You see, back in July of this year, me and my family were in a pretty bad car accident. The driver had run a red light, T-boning us, which caused our car to flip over and rotate. We literally had to crawl out of the soft top of my Jeep Wrangler because we were on our side and couldn't get the doors to open. And besides losing our Jeep because it was totaled, we've just kind of been going through a lot since then. From the accident, I ended up having herniated discs or slipped discs, which were pushing up on my spinal cord and causing a whole bunch of issues. And after trying out a whole bunch of options to fix this, I ended up having to get surgery. And that's just kind of where I'm at right now. And you might have noticed this new scar of mine, and that's from the surgery. I ended up having something called cervical fusion surgery, where they go in and they remove the slip discs, and they insert a metal plate that holds everything together as the bones fuse over a very long time. Some fun facts are that they actually go in through the front of your neck to do this. And they move your esophagus out of the way so they can actually access everything going on in there. And that's why, again, I have the scar in the front because that's where they went in from. And they go in and insert a metal plate, which is an actual titanium plate. That's kind of cool, kind of like some Wolverine style there. And here's an x-ray of what it looks like inside of all this. But hold on, let me try to illustrate exactly what's going on with my body in more of a woodworking type of way. So I hope this does a good explanation. At least this is the most that I understand. It might be completely wrong, but I've tried to understand this as much as I can up to this point. So say that these are two of your bones in your neck or in your spine, and this would be a disc that is kind of like padding. They call it actually like a jelly type of substance. This disc is normally this size. So it's between your vertebrae like this, and it allows for motion so that you can twist your neck, which I can't really do right now. And it allows you to twist your neck. When you slip your discs, they end up expanding. They say it's like the jelly's leaking out. So it actually becomes bigger. And if my spinal cord was here, so if this is my spinal cord and you normally have your bones and the disc here, now with the slipped disc, since it's a lot bigger, it actually expands out and pushes up onto the spinal cord. That's what was happening with me, which can cause a whole bunch of issues. Mine was down my left arm because that's just the disc that was slipped. That's what it kind of correlated to. So the surgeon goes in and, I had two of this, so double this, but they removed the disc completely. So now you have your bones that are, kind of spaced apart like this. So they come in, and it's nothing as serious as this bracket, but they'll come in here and attach it and screw a titanium plate to hold them, and over time the bones will fuse. And that's kind of the stem of this entire video, that time of that fusion and the limitations I have from the surgery. And that time, bone fusion actually takes at least 3 months to start working. That's to even start the fusion. And then best case, they've seen fusion within 6 months, but it's more realistically going to take up to a year for the bones to fuse, and can even take longer. And there's always the chance of failure, that the bones don't fuse for a number of reasons that I won't go into here. And I'm going to be pretty limited with my function and capability until the fusion is complete. From what I understand, that's going to change over time, that limitation, but just for an idea for you right now, I can't even lift anything more than 5 pounds, which means I can't do anything in this shop. And I don't know when that's going to get more and more, and when I'm going to be more capable, and when I will be back doing what I love in this shop and getting to make videos and getting to make stuff and all of it. So all this, and the whole point of this video was just to let you guys know that I'm gonna be gone for a while, and that's gonna suck a lot. But I fully expect to be back, and I expect to be back and better than ever, and doing bigger and better projects. And I hope I can entertain you guys with those videos as I try to do since I got started. And I hope I get to make everything I want to make, since I love it. I absolutely love doing this. I do have some old videos I haven't published yet, so there's going to be some content that comes out, and I'll probably make some shorts and repurposing some stuff. So I will still try to provide some good content out for you guys. I'm not going to stop. I can still edit, luckily, and that'll at least give me some happiness in being able to make videos as part of everything here, and get content out to you guys. So make sure you guys keep your eyes out for that. I appreciate all the love and support you guys have always shown me and this channel. And that's, if anything, this has really taught me that I love doing this so much that any time away, it's like killing me. And so I'm definitely going to be back, and I'm going to be back bigger than ever. I'm going to try and make this my full-time thing and absolutely crush this. So until then, I'll put out some repurposed videos for you guys. And as always, thanks again for watching. Peace.